So now I'm going to cover the ability to leverage system time forecasting template to build your custom views. Create custom views means that you can leverage in TrueSight Console different templates that we have made available to ease the process of putting together a custom view. So now a new template, which is system time forecasting template, is available to let you include in views time forecasting models and also execute those models directly from the custom views. Customer value is the ability to predict the future behavior of one or more performance metrics in a single page on a view, and map multiple analysis of performance metrics into a single view. Now with that, let's take a look into the environment and see how this works. So first of all, prerequisite for using the system forecasting model template is that you have defined into the workspace, into TrueSight Capacity Optimization console, a time forecasting model. So for example, I have defined a model which takes into account a number of virtual host VMware, and I'm just trying to get a forecast for total data store space utilization, memory utilization, and CPU utilization for all the virtual hosts that are included in my Acme vCenter Global. So now, once I have created my time forecasting model, I can leverage this model and display this model and execute this model into the custom view. Let's see how this works. First of all, in order to create a new page or a new custom view, you need to access TrueSight Console and then point to the administration section and capacity views and hit the Add View button. At this point, you are presented with this field that you can select a name for your view. So I will just include my name here. And you can also select a group where you wanted to include to save your new view. At this point, you are presented with the catalog of custom view templates that is available to you. And now you see that in version 11.0 we have a huge number, which is 13 custom view templates that can help you to create custom views in TrueSight Console. Now, let me also include a name for my page, let's say forecast, and let me select the forecast system for time forecasting template. If I do create at this point, I need to configure my page. In order to configure my page, I need to select a time forecasting model that I wanted to leverage to populate this page. For example, in my case, I wanted to select the time forecasting model that I have created to forecast the CPU utilization, memory utilization, and total data store utilization. At this point, as you can see here, I can also choose to select a specific entity type to be used to visualize time forecasting model results, or I can, keep it unspecified. So let me first of all select a type here. So it could be VMware host, for example, and let me save it. So you see that if I save this page, I can see results for time forecasting model related to the VMware host. So the power of this template is also the ability to select all the hosts that you have available in your environment. So even if you have created a time forecasting model into the workspace and you have selected only a few of your virtual host VMware, you can now span and select another host that was not included into the original time forecasting model. So that's one characteristics that I wanted to highlight related to this template. In addition, I wanted to also mention that it's really nice also because if you do not specify any of the system type, you can do save, and you can in essence span the entire the entire tree of system managed in TrueSight Capacity Optimization, and select another entity that you wanted to use and check, forecast results. So for example, let's say in this case that I wanted to check forecast for a cluster, right? So despite the fact that we have created the model against the virtual host, we can select whatever system type we want, and we can also execute the model directly from the view. So as you can understand, in every custom view, you can use this template to display specific forecast scenarios for all the entities that you are managing in TrueSight Capacity Optimization. And that concludes the system time forecasting model template demonstration.